fine. When you come in the morning, as soon as all 12 of you are there in the jury room, let a deputy know, and we'll bring the evidence in. We'll secure it each night when y'all leave. So we'll bring the evidence in, and y'all can start deliberating again. Don't deliberate until all 12 of you are there. And I'm just going to probably read y'all the entirety of the jury admonition. We're not every day gonna start out in court and then end the day in court. Y'all will just go to the jury room and do the same thing each day. Just wait till the 12 of you are there. Tell the deputy, they'll bring the evidence in. You can start deliberating, and just deliberate till 5 every day. As you know, if you have a question or if you want to see any of the evidence that's not back with you, write that down and let us know, and then we'll come to court. Otherwise, just treat it like a work day. At the end of the work day, you're always going to be under these same instructions, so just follow them. But I'm not necessarily going to bring y'all back here and say it every day. Just continue to be under the same instructions. So as I told y'all yesterday, to maintain the integrity of the trial, remember that you need to decide the case based on the evidence that was admitted during the trial and the law as I explained it to you. Consider only the evidence admitted in this courtroom. Don't conduct any research on your own about the case, people involved, places mentioned. Don't refer to any books or documents that may not have been admitted during the trial. Don't take or review any photographs or video of anybody involved in the case except if it is already in evidence. Don't use dictionaries or any other kind of reference materials, including online reference materials, to help you in this case. Don't use Google or any other internet search engine. Don't consult websites, blogs, podcasts, any kind of social media apps, including but not limited to a various grouping of social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, Reddit. I mean, anything like that. Don't use any of these sources of information or anything else to get information about legal terms or concepts or about the law. Don't watch, read, or listen to any accounts of this trial that might appear in the news media, whether online, in print, television, radio, or otherwise, including in any kind of a social media. In short, do not seek information about this case, including hypothetical questions, from any source outside the confines of what the evidence is that is had been admitted in this trial. Remember that you are the only ones who have been qualified as fair and impartial jurors to decide this case. No other influence should affect your decision. And it is because of that that you should not and cannot discuss this case with anybody else, including your family and friends, or let anybody discuss the case or anybody involved in the case with you or around you. That includes discussing or sharing information in person, by phone, by email, text, blog, any kind of social media. If anybody does approach you about the case, or if you happen to hear somebody talking about the case, you need to let one of the deputies or court staff know that immediately. Please remember, you should continue to consider the evidence as you all deliberate with an open mind. And leave your, as you have this whole time, leave your notes or notepads with you in the jury room each night. And in the morning, I won't necessarily see y'all unless you have a question or need to see some evidence. So just begin your deliberations after you're all there. All right, y'all have a pleasant evening. Thank you. All right, we're adjourned for the day, and we will just remain in recess until we hear from the jury again, whenever that next might be. And if we don't hear from them at all tomorrow, I've told them they can leave at 3 since it's the day before Thanksgiving. We have Thursday and Friday off, so Monday will be the next time they would be deliberating. So if I don't have reason to see any of y'all tomorrow, everybody have a pleasant Thanksgiving. Thank you.